Just minted crypto dollars? Then wait. You can earn interest by depositing crypto dollars in Kurrency. Kurrency accrues funds through safe asset management of users' collateral, as well as stability fees paid by crypto dollar minters. These funds are then distributed to crypto dollar depositors as interest. Interested in earning interest? Deposit your crypto dollars today. You can find your estimated profit for each deposit period. If you're happy with the estimated profit, simply press Deposit. For your first deposit, you'll need to approve your tokens. After approval, pay the gas fee from your wallet, and you're all set. After depositing, you can find your principal amount and current interest profit. Also, you can freely deposit more to increase interest or withdraw. But bear in mind that withdrawal will lower your expected profit. Let's earn some interest with your crypto dollars through Kurrency.